very good morning. I'm joined with Srini from HCLTech. Could you tell us a bit more about your role at HCL?
Yeah, thanks Vivian for having me here. And at HCL, I take care of insurance customers across Asia Pacific. And at HCL, we have a wide range of capabilities in terms of IT services and products. And we just want to meet insurance customers' needs. So I do the bridging of our capabilities with insurance customers' needs.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. I'll jump into the first question.
Yes, please.
Which is, can embedded insurance drive insurance penetration in APAC
Yeah.
and close protection gaps?
Yeah, certainly, because it solves a couple of problems. One is it reduces the resistance or friction in terms of selling, and second is the insurance is very very relevant when it is bundled with the product. For example, when it is bundled with travel, the travel insurance becomes very relevant rather than separately sold. So I see a very high potential in bridging the insurance gap in terms of bundled insurance.
Okay, that's very interesting. In your view, how are APAC customers different in terms of their insurance needs?
Actually, more or less everyone is the same, but the way their needs are met changes from region to region. Otherwise, the insurance needs are same. For example, in Asia Pacific, you see a high level of digital adoption in terms of everything else besides insurance. It could be banking, or it could be going to a hospital. We are used to use our mobiles. So that high level of digital adoption can be leveraged by Asian insurers in pushing the insurance. Yeah.
Okay, that's really interesting about the Asian consumer market. How about a little bit more about the industry this year? Like, what have you seen so far, and like what are certain data trends?
Well, there was a boom around certain lines of businesses like health due to the pandemic. Now we are seeing insurance industry regressing to the mean a little bit, but there is a robust demand. Just that the technology expenditure is getting reprioritized back to the ways of the old.
Yeah. Okay, then how about moving forward? Where do you see the industry next year or like 2 years from now?
Well, the one thing that I see is there is a high level of revisiting the way technology helps business, and insurance companies realize that old systems cannot help when they want to sell it to the new generation.
Yeah.
So that's where I see changes happening.
Yeah, so there's a gap that we need to address.
Yes.
Okay. How about the last question to wrap up this interview? How's your experience been at ITC Asia so far?
Oh, it's fantastic. In fact, I have been a regular at this event for quite some years now. Only, of course, during pandemic, I missed this event being in person, but I love to be here.
That's great. We love to have you here. The energy is so high, and I'm excited
certainly.
for you to go around and see the other booths and content sessions.
Certainly.
Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at your session.
Thanks for having me here. Thanks,
you.
Vivian.